So curriculum wise, I find Manav Rachna to be, very from the past 1 2 years, there has been a change in principle of this school.
Hi, welcome to Yellow Slate, your very own school search engine that helps you find the best schools for your kid based on various filters and parameters. Today we have Miss Anupama, whose kids are studying in Manav Rachna International School in Chelmsford branch. Let's talk to her and understand her perspective about the school. Hi ma'am, thank you so much for joining us. So before we get into the finer details of the school, can you tell what made you to choose the school in the first place? When you first visited the campus, what kind of impression did you gather?
So when we were searching for the school for my child, for the nursery admission, so we heard a lot about Manav Rachna International Schools, and a lot of my relatives and my friends' kids are studying here, and they gave me a good feedback about the school. So the starting point was that, and then we visited the campus and we just saw the curriculum. We spoke, had a chat with the admissions staff, and they, told me about the school, how they go with the child, and what are the procedures they follow for the learning and all. So I found that good, and technology-wise also, they told us what do they cover for the computers, for the other areas of other than the academics, what do they cover in the curriculum. So I like that, so that's why we made our decision to get her admitted in this school.
Got it. And a couple of questions clubbed into one. For how long is your kid studying there? Which class is your kid going to? And one last, what is the fees that you're paying at the school?
So my daughter is in the 3rd grade in Chelmsford, and she's there with the school from nursery.
Oh, nice.
And the fee which I am paying is 40,000 for a quarter.
Got
1.6 lakhs for.
Got it. So was there any increment year on year, or has it been the same fee structure from the beginning?
So during the COVID times, they didn't increase the fee for a year, and after that they have been increasing.
Got it. And speaking about the academic orientation of the school, how happy are you with the teachers, the quality of teaching, and what your kid is learning at the school?
So curriculum wise, I find Manav Rachna to be very easygoing with the children, because they have designed the curriculum in such a way that it is not a burden for the students to cover so many things in such small classes, And apart from academic, they are arranging the activities like quizzes, and my daughter participates in a lot of quiz and competitions for academics also and for non-academics. And I have heard about a lot of schools, those who are not enrolling their schools for all the Olympiads, which I find very good in Manav Rachna. Get all the students enrolled for the Olympiad. They give us the choice, which other schools I find are not giving. And this is the good thing. And they are holding a lot of intra-clan activities on weekly basis. So that's a plus point. I mean, it gives a boost of confidence in the children. And there's the first thing that I really liked about Manav Rachna is they don't conduct examinations up till 5th or 6th, I think. I think 6th they start the examination. So there's not a fear of, there's an exam phobia in the students from a very early stage that we don't find there. So it's a very good point that I found. They have no homework policies. So kids are not too much indulged into the homeworks and all that. They are not getting much time to, do other stuff in house. They can read, they can learn other things also apart from the homework. Because they are not getting the homework, they are getting a chance to do other things also. Other activities they can join, they have time.
Got it.
So that's it.
And what do you make of the infrastructure for those parents who didn't visit the campus yet? So since you have gone to the campus multiple times, what do you make of the infrastructure they have?
So infrastructure is good. They have good classes, all air conditioning classes, and the interior is also fine. Just one point I would like to highlight here. It should have been a more, large playground. They don't have such large playground. I think this is a negative. I would not say negative. There could have been a better playground facility for the kids.
Got it. Yeah. And speaking about the areas for improvement, is there any area that you think the school can still get better at or can improve upon?
So from the past 1-2 years, there has been a change in new principal of the school. Mrs. Divjot Kaur has joined as a principal last year, I think. So after she has joined, there has been a lot of positive changes in the school, be it curriculum, be it activities. So they used to have a zero slots before the classes were resumed. So they have become very effective. She has introduced GK, logical reasoning, and clubs. She has introduced a lot. So after she has joined the school, I can see many positive changes happening in the school.
So before we wind it up, on scale of 10, with 10 being the highest, how likely are you to recommend Manav Rachna School to any of your peers or kith and kin?
So because I have two concerns, I'll give 8 on 10. I'll tell you the reason also.
Please.
Number one, the fee structure I find a little on the higher side, because I have 2 kids and my younger is just getting, ready for getting admitted in the school. So it would be difficult for 2 kids to study in such an expensive school. So I find and the other one is overall sports facility in the school is very nice. But I would like to highlight one thing. There should have been more coaches. Like my daughter is in the gymnastics. So there should have been more coaches for that, because so many kids are enrolling for the sports. Apart from academic, people are, more into sports now. They want their kids to do other
Great,
things
ma'am.
also.
So one small question here. Is there a separate charge that you ought to pay for sports
not
coaching?
charge, because the number is increasing day by day. So the coaches should also be, more for these things.
Got it.
Because all children will not be covered into a particular session. So
Got
this is my one concern, and the other one is fee. Otherwise, I would recommend Manav Rachna to every parent.
Great. Thank you so much. And a lot of opinions and insights that you shared will be of good help for other parents who are looking for good schools in your locality. So on behalf of all that parent community, thank you very much for your time and coming forward and sharing
Thank you
this.
so much.